How's it going, guys? I'm going to change the air filter on my 2011 Honda Fit. The STP is SA10650. That's just the filter I got. It's the cheapest one that I got. And the first thing you're going to do is, if yours is already latched, unlatch these back ones, and then you're going to pull these front ones down, and then you're just going to pick this up and slide it out of the way. Just gonna put it up here on the battery. You're just gonna pick up the old filter. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Could use a changing. I'm gonna get a vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna clean all that up down in there because, like, looked like a squirrel might have been hanging out in here. Don't know. But yeah, then we're just gonna pop the new one back in. Pop the new one back in. You just take this, slide it back up, make sure it's seated nice, and take your clamps, clamp down, clamp that one down, and then clamp the side one down, and that's all it takes.